So, you are curious to know what science and religion have to say about this classic question of all time? Then stay tuned in this episode of Zach's Curiosity. Way back in 1900, there was an unknown would have been a famous scientist by name Dr. Zach, who spent his entire life for the most significant contribution to humankind ever. Answer to the question, which came first, chicken or the egg? People have been asking this question from ancient times. Impatient among them dismiss this question as a stupid one. It's such a tricky question because you need a chicken to lay an egg, but chickens come from eggs, leaving us with a circle that has no clear starting point. Team Egg took the support of principles of evolutionary biology to prove that egg came first. The first chicken in existence would have been the result of a series of genetic mutations that took place in a zygote produced by two almost chickens or proto-chickens. Two proto-chickens decided to start a family together, which combined their DNA to form the very first chicken. So, who were these birth parents of the first chicken in existence? Archaeological evidence suggests that humans domesticated red jungle fowl some 10,000 years ago. Red jungle fowl native to India, southern China, Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia are the ones that spread across the globe as the less aggressive and prolific egg layers that we know and love today. All these pieces of evidence gave an upper hand to Team Egg. However, some scientists claim that chicken came first. Eggshell, which is made up of calcium carbonate, requires a specific protein called OC17, ooclidin. It is only found in the ovary of a chicken, leading to the suggestion that the chicken must have come before the chicken egg. Without OC17, there can be no chicken egg formation. But the presence of OC17 in other species such as turkey suggests that such proteins are common to all the birds, and thus first chicken came from the first chicken egg. So Zach published his finding that egg indeed came before chicken. He was hoping for a Nobel Prize for this contribution, but unfortunately lost. Deep in sorrow and depression, his lifelong work did not get any recognition. He decided to take vengeance on science and started voraciously reading holy scriptures. What he realized in the process is that the answer for which he spent his entire life is a complete waste, as these scriptures and books held that animals were created at the beginning of the world. Hence, the chicken did not come from the egg, but from nothing. So, chicken is first as per religion. If you are neither a science person nor a religious one, don't give a damn about this question. After all, who cares? To watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.